Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 5. The Last Fairy's Wish. Just as the witch tried to leave. Just as the witch tried to leave. One fairy stepped forward. One fairy stepped forward. A small light shone in the hall. A small light shone in the hall. The people raised their faces. The people raised their faces. The king looked at the fairy. The king looked at the fairy. The queen wiped her tears. The queen wiped her tears. The fairy bowed quietly. The fairy bowed quietly. My words still remain. My words still remain. The witch stopped her steps. The witch stopped her steps. The fairies made a path. The fairies made a path. The last fairy stepped out. The last fairy stepped out. Her face was very calm. Her face was very calm. The princess was still sleeping. The princess was still sleeping. The fairy looked at the cradle. The fairy looked at the cradle. Gentle light spread around. Gentle light spread around. The witch's curse is very strong. The witch's curse is very strong. I cannot erase it fully. I cannot erase it fully. The people lowered their shoulders. The people lowered their shoulders. The queen began to cry again. The queen began to cry again. The king clenched his fist. The king clenched his fist. But there is still a way. But there is still a way. The fairy's voice echoed. The fairy's voice echoed. Silence returned to the hall. Silence returned to the hall. The king held his breath. The king held his breath. This girl will not die. This girl will not die. The people looked at each other. The people looked at each other. The queen stopped her tears. The queen stopped her tears. The princess will fall into deep sleep. The princess will fall into deep sleep. That sleep will last a long time. That sleep will last a long time. 100 years will pass. 100 years will pass. A murmur rose in the hall. A murmur rose in the hall. After 100 years, she will wake. After 100 years, she will wake. When a true heart comes. When a true heart comes. The king felt hope. The king felt hope. The queen held the princess. The queen held the princess. Light returned to the people's faces. Light returned to the people's faces. The witch made a harsh face. The witch made a harsh face. The fairy raised her wand. The fairy raised her wand. White light rose to the sky. White light rose to the sky. The dark clouds grew thin. The dark clouds grew thin. The cold wind also stopped. The cold wind also stopped. The candle flames came back again. The candle flames came back again. Brightness filled the hall. Brightness filled the hall. The king bowed deeply. The king bowed deeply. The queen gave her thanks. The queen gave her thanks. The fairy smiled softly. The fairy smiled softly. The witch said nothing. The witch said nothing. Soon she vanished with the darkness. Soon she vanished with the darkness. The danger passed away. The danger passed away. But a long time was waiting. But a long time was waiting. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.